In today's extended exploration of eye health, we delve into the delicate mechanisms of our eyes, emphasizing the importance of care and nourishment. Remember, a healthy diet, rich in eye-friendly foods, is key to maintaining good vision and preventing future problems. Don't forget to make regular visits to your ophthalmologist for checkups and personalized advice. By taking care of your eyes today, you're investing in a lifetime of clear vision and vibrant sight. In this video, we'll explore the top foods that promote eye health and maintain crystal clear vision. If you're as excited about preserving your vision as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and stay updated on all things eye health. Let's start with leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as kale, collard greens, and spinach are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They shield your macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision from harmful UV rays and free radicals. These antioxidants also play a role in preventing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. So, go green and add a handful of these leafy wonders to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Number 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines. These fatty fish are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA. These essential fats are like a soothing balm for your eyes. They help keep your eye surface lubricated, preventing dry eye syndrome and its itchy, scratchy discomfort. Omega-3s also combat inflammation, reducing the risk of AMD and other eye diseases. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week for optimal eye health. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, tangerines, lemons. These citrusy delights are bursting with vitamin C, another eye-loving antioxidant. Vitamin C strengthens the blood vessels in your eyes, preventing damage and reducing the risk of cataracts and diabetic retinopathy. It also helps your body absorb iron, another essential nutrient for healthy vision. So, squeeze some sunshine into your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or add zest to your dishes with a sprinkle of lemon or grapefruit. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Tiny titans of eye health. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E shields your eye cells from free radical damage, while zinc helps transport vitamin A to your retina, crucial for night vision. Omega-3s, as we know, keep your eyes lubricated and fight inflammation. Next on the list, eggs. All-in-one eye food. Eggs are not just for breakfast, they're a nutritional powerhouse for your eyes. They're rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. All the good stuff we've been talking about. These nutrients work together to protect your macula, prevent cataracts and AMD, and support overall eye health. Scramble them, poach them, boil them. Eggs are a versatile way to nourish your eyes with every bite. Moving on to carrots. Nature's eye boosters, carrots, crunchy champions for night vision. Carrots, the classic eye health food, deserve a place on this list. Their bright orange color comes from beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, especially in low light conditions. It helps your eyes adjust to darkness and prevents night blindness. So, munch on carrot sticks with hummus, whip up a carrot and ginger soup, or toss some shredded carrots into your salads for a vitamin A boost. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potato power, a beta-carotene bonanza. Not just a Thanksgiving staple, sweet potatoes are a year-round eye health treat. They're loaded with beta-carotene, just like carrots, providing your body with a generous dose of vitamin A for good vision and night blindness prevention. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, adding an extra layer of protection for your eyes. Roast them, bake them, mash them. Sweet potatoes are a delicious way to keep your vision sharp. Next up, bell peppers. Bell peppers, vitamin C powerhouses. Bell peppers in all their vibrant colors are packed with vitamin C, making them superheroes for your eyes. They help strengthen blood vessels, reduce the risk of cataracts, and protect your eyes from free radical damage. Red bell peppers are especially rich in vitamin C, while orange and yellow peppers boast additional antioxidants like beta-carotene and zeaxanthin. So, slice them up for salads, stir-fry them with your favorite veggies, or roast them for a sweet and satisfying snack. Your eyes will thank you for the vitamin C punch. Number 9. Soybeans and edamame. Plant-based protein power. For all you vegans and vegetarians out there, rejoice! Soybeans and edamame are excellent sources of plant-based protein and eye-friendly nutrients. They're rich in zinc, which helps transport vitamin A to your retina for good night vision. They also contain isoflavones, plant compounds with antioxidant properties that may protect against cataracts and AMD. So, whip up some miso soup with tofu, stir-fry some edamame with garlic and ginger, or snack on roasted soybeans for a protein and eye health boost. Number 10. Blueberries. Antioxidant powerhouse for the eyes, these delicious little gems are bursting with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from free radical damage and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that blueberries may help prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. So, toss a handful into your oatmeal, blend them into your smoothie, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Number 11. Pumpkin seeds. Seeds, not just for Halloween. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, essential for night vision and transporting vitamin A to your retina. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, offering further protection against eye diseases. Sprinkle them on salads, soups, or yogurt for a nutty crunch and eye health boost. And at number 12, dark chocolate. A sweet treat for eye health. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate can actually be beneficial for your eyes. It's rich in flavonol, a type of antioxidant that improves blood flow to the retina, especially in the macula. This improved blood flow helps nourish your eye cells and protect them from damage. Just remember, moderation is key. Aim for a small square or two per day for an eye-healthy indulgence. And finally, number 13, water. The ultimate hydrator. Don't forget the importance of staying hydrated. Water is essential for overall health, and your eyes are no exception. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes, blurry vision, and even an increased risk of eye infections. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water per day, and don't hesitate to keep a bottle of water by your side throughout the day. You can also get your fluid intake from herbal teas, fruits, and vegetables. Remember, your eyes are windows to the soul, so treat them with the love and nourishment they deserve. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep those peepers bright. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to join our ever-growing health-conscious community. We'll see you soon.